we're talking about turds and monkey turds, let's do it. So, how much do you think a monkey turd weighs?
Probably about 30 pounds.
Each? Yeah. I say every little rabbit turd. Every size of a rabbit turd weighs about 30 pounds. Yeah. Sorry. So, Skylar, do you think a human turd weighs as much as a monkey turd does?
Yep.
Well, how much do you think it weighs exact? I think it weighs 30.1.
Probably about 45.3.
Oh, I got it. So, you mean to say that you don't like monkey turds?
Yes. Okay, well, goodbye, folks.
I'm going to eat your monkey turds if you don't shut up. Bye.